Right guys, I thought I'd just give you a little couple of minute walk along the beach before I go and find some more food. I know, I've got some food in my bag. Here's what it is. Here's a little chill out at the ocean. It's alright, he's loving it in there. It weren't like this the other day when I was here. I tell you that. It was very, very windy. So it is what it is. I'm going to have some food in a moment. I thought, come on, let you check this out. It's fine. It's cool. You guys do what you're doing. Oh, so lots to do. Get my appointments done and things like that. So it is what it is. Responsibilities. Oh dear. You should just cut out after. Oh. Everyone's just maxing and relaxing. Oh. I'm a bit lethargic. I don't know why. It's just awesome. Oof, so tired. It's not even a shortcut. Is that a shortcut? Tomo and his little shortcut said they never really work out, do they? Never work out whatsoever. Blimey, I'm bloody tired. Can you believe it? Oof. Dear. Start the dodgy rock in the middle of it. And a pigeon trying to be one at seagulls. Bad times, do you know what I mean? How long have we been rabbiting on for? 2.5 minutes. Oh dear. Let's get the rest of this. And I'm off to get some snacks. Probably an apple first. Is what it is. Anyway guys, love you all. Take it easy. Mwah. You're awesome. Thank you to the new members and thank you to the old ones. As long as you're genuine. Mwah. Love you all.